Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am great, thank you. I had a very busy morning today. I woke up early and went for a walk. And you, Jake?
I am good, thank you. But I woke up a little late this morning.
Oh no, what happened?
My alarm did not work, so I had no time for breakfast.
Oh, poor Jake. No breakfast?
No breakfast, just coffee on the way to work.
Speaking of mornings, that is actually our topic today.
Oh, what is our topic?
Today, we are talking about daily routines. What do you do every day?
Ooh, daily routines. I like this topic.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. Jake, let me start with my morning. I will tell you what I do, and you can tell me what you do, okay?
Okay, tell me about your morning, Judy.
Every morning, I wake up at 6:30.
6:30? That is so early.
I know, but I like mornings. They are quiet and peaceful.
Peaceful? That means calm and relaxing, right?
Exactly. So I wake up at 6:30. First, I stretch a little in bed.
You stretch in bed?
Yes, just a little. It helps my body wake up. Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom.
What do you do in the bathroom?
I brush my teeth and wash my face every morning.
Me too. I brush my teeth and wash my face, but not at 6:30.
What time do you wake up, Jake?
I usually wake up at 7:30, maybe 8.
Maybe 8? You don't know?
Well, first my alarm goes off at 7:30.
Your alarm goes off. That means it makes a sound to wake you up.
Yes, my alarm goes off at 7:30, but then I hit the snooze button.
The snooze button. That gives you a few more minutes of sleep.
Yes, 5 more minutes, and then 5 more, and then 5 more.
Jake, so you wake up at 8?
Sometimes 8, sometimes 8:15. It depends on the day.
It depends means it is not always the same. It changes.
Yes, it depends on how tired I am.
Okay, so after you finally get up, what do you do?
I brush my teeth and wash my face very fast. Then I get dressed.
Get dressed means you put on your clothes.
Yes, I put on my clothes very fast. No time to think.
I am very different. I wake up early so I have a lot of time. After I brush my teeth and wash my face, I get dressed. Then I go to the kitchen.
What do you do in the kitchen?
I make breakfast. I usually eat toast with eggs and a cup of coffee.
That sounds nice. I usually skip breakfast.
Skip means you don't eat it, you miss it.
Yes, I skip breakfast because I wake up too late.
That is not a good habit, Jake. Breakfast gives you energy for the morning.
I know, but my bed is so comfortable.
Do you drink anything in the morning?
Just coffee. I make coffee very fast. I put it in a cup and take it with me.
Coffee on the go. That means you drink it while you walk or ride the bus.
Yes, coffee on the go. That is my breakfast.
Oh, Jake, at least you have coffee.
At least. That means the minimum, right?
Yes, at least means the smallest amount. At least you have coffee.
At least I have coffee. That is my life.
Okay, after my breakfast, I am ready to go. I leave my house at about 8 o'clock.
Where do you go?
I go to work. I walk to my office.
You walk? How far is it?
About 15 minutes. It is not far. I enjoy the walk. I listen to music.
That is nice. I take the bus. The bus stop is near my house.
That is convenient. Convenient means it is easy and close.
Yes, very convenient. The bus comes at about 8:30. I ride the bus for 20 minutes.
What do you do on the bus?
I listen to podcasts on the bus.
Like this one?
Yes, exactly like this one. It is the best way to start the day.
That is very sweet, Jake. When do you arrive at work?
I arrive at about 9 o'clock, sometimes a little late.
A little late.
Because of the snooze button.
Ah, the snooze button again.
What about you? When do you arrive?
I arrive at 8:15. I start work at 8:30, so I have 15 minutes to make tea and read my emails.
You make tea at work?
Yes, a cup of green tea. It is a calm start to the day.
My start is not calm. I run to the bus, I run to the office, then I sit down and try to breathe.
Oh, Jake, you need to wake up earlier.
I know. Maybe tomorrow.
Do you talk to other people at work in the morning?
Yes, I say good morning to my coworkers. Coworkers are the people you work with.
Good. That is a nice way to start the day at the office.
Yes, and sometimes we talk about the weekend or about lunch.
Lunch is always a big topic.
Always.
Okay, now let's talk about the afternoon. What do you do in the afternoon, Jake?
In the afternoon, I work, but first I have lunch.
What time do you have lunch?
Usually at 12:30, sometimes at 1.
What do you eat?
I usually bring a sandwich from home, chicken and cheese.
You bring your lunch? That is good.
Yes, it is cheaper than buying lunch every day. What about you?
I usually eat a salad. I make it in the morning and bring it to work.
You make a salad in the morning, before work.
Yes, because I wake up early, remember? I have time.
Right, 6:30. I can never do that.
After lunch, what do you do?
I go back to work, but in the afternoon, I sometimes feel very tired.
Ah, yes. The afternoon can be hard. Many people feel tired after lunch.
I feel sleepy. Sleepy means I want to sleep.
Yes, I sometimes feel sleepy too. When that happens, I take a short break.
A short break? What do you do?
I walk around the office, or I get a cup of tea. Even 5 minutes helps.
That is a good idea. I will try that.
I also like to drink water in the afternoon. Water helps you feel awake.
Awake. That is the opposite of sleepy.
Exactly. Sleepy means you want to sleep. Awake means you feel alert and ready.
I need to feel more awake in the afternoon. More water, more breaks.
Yes, small changes help a lot. What time do you finish work?
I usually finish at 6.
I finish at 5:30. Then I walk home.
I take the bus home. Same bus, same route, same seat too. I like the window seat.
The window seat. You can look outside and watch the city.
Yes, I watch the people, the cars, the buildings. It is relaxing.
That sounds nice. On my walk home, I like to look at the trees and the sky.
We both like to enjoy the way home.
Yes, it's a nice time to relax your mind. What time do you get home?
I get home at about 6:30. What about you?
I get home at about 5:45.
That is early. So what do you do when you get home?
First, I take off my shoes and put on comfortable clothes.
Take off means you remove something, like your shoes.
Yes, and put on means you wear something. I take off my work clothes and put on my home clothes.
Take off and put on, a good pair.
Then I relax for a few minutes. I sit on the sofa and just breathe.
Me too. I come home and I go straight to the sofa. I turn on the TV.
What do you watch?
I watch shows, movies, sometimes the news, but mostly shows.
Do you cook dinner?
Sometimes, when I have energy, but sometimes I order food.
What do you cook when you cook?
Simple things. Pasta, rice, eggs. You know me.
I remember from our food episode.
Yes. What about you? Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook dinner almost every evening. I enjoy cooking. It helps me relax after work.
What do you cook?
It depends on the day. Rice with vegetables, soup, pasta. I like to try new recipes.
New recipes. That sounds fun. I always cook the same thing.
That is okay. Simple food is good food.
Thank you, Judy. What do you do after dinner?
After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes and wipe the table.
Wipe the table. What is wipe?
Wipe means you clean a surface with a cloth. You wipe the table to make it clean.
Wipe. W-I-P-E. Wipe. I will remember that.
After I clean, I call my parents or my friends.
You call your family every day?
Not every day, but usually 3 or 4 times a week. I like to hear their voices.
That is very nice. I call my mom every Sunday, and I text my sister every day.
That is sweet. Family is important.
Yes. After that, what do you do?
After that, I read a book for about 30 minutes. Then I get ready for bed.
Me too. Well, I don't read a book. I watch videos on my phone.
Videos? What kind of videos?
Cooking videos, travel videos, sometimes funny cat videos.
Cat videos before bed?
Don't judge me. They are very relaxing.
Okay. Let's talk about bedtime. What do you do before bed?
Before bed, I take a shower. A warm shower.
You take a shower at night? I take a shower in the morning.
Really? I like a shower at night. It helps me relax and sleep better.
That makes sense. What else?
I brush my teeth again, and I put on my pajamas.
Pajamas. Pajamas. Pajamas are your sleeping clothes.
Yes, soft and comfortable. Then I get into bed.
Do you fall asleep fast?
Fall asleep? What does that mean?
Fall asleep means you start sleeping. Your eyes close and you sleep.
Oh, no, I don't fall asleep fast. I look at my phone for a long time.
Jake, phones are bad for sleeping.
I know, but I can't help it. What about you? Do you fall asleep fast?
Yes, I read my book, and after about 20 minutes, I fall asleep.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10:30, and I fall asleep before 11.
I go to bed at midnight, sometimes later.
Midnight? That is very late.
I am a night owl. A night owl is a person who stays up late.
Yes, and I'm an early bird, a person who wakes up early.
Night owl and early bird. We are very different, Judy.
We are very different, but that is what makes it fun.
Yes, I learned from you. Maybe I will try to wake up earlier.
And I learned from you. Maybe I'll try watching cat videos before bed.
You will love them, trust me.
I am sure I will.
Judy, I notice we use some special words today, like always and usually.
Yes, those are frequency words. They tell us how often we do something.
How often? Okay, tell me about them.
Always means every time, 100%. For example, I always wake up before 7.
I always brush my teeth, every morning and every night.
Good. Usually means most of the time, maybe 80 or 90%.
I usually take the bus to work, most days.
Very good. Sometimes means not always, maybe 40 or 50%.
I sometimes cook dinner, not every day.
That is right. And never means 0. You don't do it.
I never wake up at 5 in the morning. Never, never, never.
I believe you. So the order is always, usually, sometimes, never.
From 100 to 0. Easy to remember.
Perfect, Jake. Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today, we talked about daily routines, what we do every day.
Yes, we talked about mornings, afternoons, and evenings.
Good. And we learned 4 frequency words.
Always, usually, sometimes, and never.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
I had so much fun talking about this with you. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was fun.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks
Give this episode a like.
and share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, what do you do every morning? Or what do you do every evening?
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.